Good morning everyone, it's Sunday morning and as you can see I have curled my hair. I haven't, as you can see, brushed it out yet at all, so I've yet to do that. We are going out for something to eat today with another part of the family that couldn't make yesterday for Lennox's birthday, so we're going out to, we're just going to the Harvester today. You know, it's very, food is lovely and it's very family orientated and affordable. So yeah, I need to finish just getting myself done. I've gone for a blue look today on the eye. Because I'm wearing a blue dress, I thought I'd just colour coordinate. And I think the man who's come to do our fencing is actually here. So shall we go and have a sneaky peek out of the window? Oh, well, where's he gone then? I thought he was here. He's obviously not here yet. Apparently he's en route and he's going to start today. Editing Lesleyanne here, just to, you know, he has actually been and he's left a lot of like wood and a lot of the equipment and everything down the side of our house. So yeah, it's all secure and it is there. I don't know what to think about the blueness. It's not so bad. It looks very dark. I'm sure in daylight outside it's probably not. I'll show you the dress I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this little dress today. So it's just a little navy blue and polka dot white dress, and it's got a little bout to go around. And then I'm just wearing not the shirt underneath, but just going to put this little white waterfall cardie over the top. So I thought that'd be quite nice today to wear that one. This is what I've used today to do my curls. I had this sent to me to do a review on a little while ago, and I absolutely love it. It's the best I've ever used. And if I just do that, you can see there's all the other bits and pieces that you attach to do different types of curls and straighteners as well. And if I can find that video, I will link it either in the description box or in the cards, or even maybe both. But yeah, I've used today a combination of eyeshadows. So I've used, this one is from Revolution, this one is Revolution, this one's an Avon. So just little combos of colour. So I've taken like bits from this and bits from that, you know, different types of colours there. And then in here I've used, so I put a primer on and a little bit of this Avon concealer. Then I've got this is the, haven't got foundation on, but I've got this, the Chanel, it's like a water tint. It's beautiful. Got that on, and then I use that as contour. Charlotte Tilbury blusher, couldn't think then. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. My blusher is a Doll 10. I've got a little bit of the Lisa Armstrong from Avon highlighter on. I believe these are all half price now. What else have I got on from here? Eyebrows. I've got some of the Mark from Avon powder, and then I put a little bit of the NYX sort of gel mascara over the top. And then I've used Lash Supreme primer from Avon and the legendary Lens mascara from Avon. So that's everything I use now. I'm just about to put the setting spray on, which again is, this is the Magics by Mark from Avon. So I will pop that on. If you are new to my channel, I do have a little Avon shop linked in the description box. It's an online one, and if you're interested in having a look over there, then yeah, you can see some lovely stuff, and yeah, really some amazing pretty pieces over there as well. But yeah, that's linked in the description box, and I know if you order £20 it's free delivery UK, but yeah, I thought I'd just share that anyway. So, because not everybody has an Avon lady, do they, anymore? So I'm just going to pop this on and I'll be back a bit later. Hi everyone. So we're off, we're on our way to the harvester now. So these are my little curly whirlies. So yeah, just done a little curl in them. And again, it's brilliant sunshine out there. I just got a blue dress. Well, I've shown you the dress already, haven't I, anyway? So see if I can get a few photographs or something while we're there. And we have a new chauffeur in the house. Lukey baby is driving, and Chrissy's there in front of me, co-pilot, and I'm relegated to the back seat.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high. Keep on sailing, lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling. Sometimes you crash and burn, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Right, we've had a whole morning of moving stuff around because we're having new flooring, so we need to sort of move things. I haven't done any hoovering, I've just moved a few bits and bobs around in here really. This room has got to be emptied. Obviously it had new carpet put down, so we put that unit back in the blue there. I think I quite like it. I need to live with it for a little bit, but I think I like it there. It has made this room a little bigger by not having the sideboard in there. So we've moved that into the dining room to make it look more dining roomy, and it actually does. So all of this stuff's got to come out into this room next week, different carpet, and then we had to get everything, like, know where we wanted everything, because the following week everything in this room, kitchen, dining room, hallway, has all got to be moved because we're having waterproof flooring down, completely waterproof. It's going to take them 2 days to do that. So yeah, been quite a little busy morning. So just move things about, as you can see.
Come tend the garden with me. We have so many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Well, we spent the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly stoned. Till you liked everything but the likes of me, I can't help but recall. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore.
Right, so tidy the garden up quite a lot now. So I just moved a few things down here just to sort of keep it a little tidier, because this is still a work in progress. We are going to be putting all new stones down here this summer. So I'm just sort of bringing these on still. Oh, excuse me, still. So there's sunflowers there. Little sweet peas are coming up. So I've done that one for Otis, that one for Lennox. It's like a bit of a race and they're kind of a bit even at the moment. Chilies in there. Sunflowers, no, runner beans, sunflower. Had to move that because it's been nibbled on. Lettuce is coming out and these are all still coming on. It's tidied up the borders. Ready? No. Tidied up all of this. Sort of did a bit of weeding as well. And I put the grass into the elephants. I thought it just looks like its hair, which I think is really cute. And yeah, potted up a lot of the plants that we got the other day. And just moved a few bits about. And put the rug down now. I still need to get all the cushions out, but we're not quite there yet with the weather. So I've just done a bit of weeding all through the garden. And as I say, just sort of potted up things that we bought the other day. Well, I think last week anyway. Repotted my peony, azalea. Got to do the hanging baskets. That's the trellis down there to go on the wall, and the canes for the sweet peas and the runner beans. And my first little bleeding heart over there. There we go. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty.
sad
Get washing
story.
in. Right,
Don't
dry now.